Yo, 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 yo! Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. This is Wednesday's upload. Good to see you again. Like I said, I'll bring you 2 to 3 uploads a week if everything goes good. I'm just not sure if I can commit to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday like I used to. But I'll try my hardest to bring you at least 2 to 3 uploads a week. Today's really not a recipe. Like I said, previously on my channel, like sometimes you want to do semi-homemade meals. You want to just take quality food that you can buy in the grocery store, like natural or organic, and just create meals where you don't have to make everything from scratch. So today is a RAO'S cook. It's going to take me actually longer to cook the pasta than actually to do this. If you can find this in the grocery store near you, the sauce in the pasta is really good. If you want, look for it when it's on sale, but you should definitely try this. And you can create this meal within 15 minutes, and you don't really have to do any of the work. They did all the work. But RAO'S is known for their sauce and pasta. They're in New York City of USA, and it takes about a year to get into the restaurant to eat there. And also The Sopranos, the HBO TV show was filmed there. So for today's recipe, it's easy. We got the RAO'S vodka sauce, and we got the RAO'S homemade penne. And if you want, that's what the sauce looks like. That's really good sauce. They create it, and you don't even have to do any of the work. So right now, I got this pot right here. We're going to put the sauce in later with the pasta. And right now I have the water boiling. When that gets boiled, you're going to put in a pinch of salt, and then we'll throw the pasta in. And this pasta right here usually takes 12 to 16 minutes. If you don't want to use this, or you want to do your own thing, usually the best thing to do is 1 to 2 minutes before your pasta is done. Pull it from the pot and drain it, then throw it in the pan with the sauce, and it all blends together. It'll fuse together, and it makes the taste really excellent. So I got the sauce ready and the pasta, and we're just waiting on this water. So I will be back. Hope you're doing good. All right, so we're back, YouTube and Facebook, with the magic of editing. So the thing we're gonna do is, you see the water's boiling. We're gonna put in some salt, and here's that Penne by RAO'S. Like I said, try to buy this. And now we're gonna just dump this in there, and it usually takes 12 to 16 minutes to cook this pasta. But like I said, we're gonna cut it short, like 2 minutes, because we're gonna throw the sauce on here in on a low simmer. And that's the sauce I told you about, the vodka. And we're just going to let it all blend together with the cover on. So I will be back when that pasta is done. So it take, like I said, 12 to 16 minutes it takes. We're going to cut it short, 2 minutes. Peace. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. We're going to take the cover off this one pan. And the pasta is done. And you can see the sauce, like I said. So we're going to slowly pour the contents of this whole thing in here. And you could see that rich color of the vodka sauce. So get that in there. And put your stove on low. This sauce is so good you could eat it out of the container. So we're going to drain this, and we're going to throw the pasta in here. And we're going to mix it together, and then we're going to plate it. We're done. Alright, so our penne is done, and we're going to just take this, and we're going to mix it in there. And like I said, with any pasta, if you really want to, see the steam coming off there, undercook it 1 to 2 minutes, most likely 2 minutes, because once you put it in the pan like this, and then you cook it another 2 to 3 minutes, the pasta and the sauce will blend together. So like I said, my channel is not always about making recipes, making everything from scratch. I'm really a suggestion website, YouTube, and semi-homemade, because we're all busy, and who wants to get involved with doing that? Doing long things. So the thing we're going to do is, look at that. Look how good that is. the color of that. Now put your cover on and keep it between low and medium, and give this a couple minutes. We'll be back when it's done, and then we'll plate it. And like I said, if we weren't filming this, it would only probably take you, like, as long as it takes to cook the pasta, like 12-13 minutes. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we are done. Look at that sauce. We didn't have to spend hours in the kitchen making it. And I'm telling you, this pasta right here, made by RAO'S, is unbelievable. Once you taste this, you'll never forget how good it was, and you won't believe how much better it tastes than regular pasta. So we're just going to plate that. You can see the steam coming off of that. And like I said, you don't have to make things from scratch. Do semi-homemade. Just buy quality products like natural and organic, and put this stuff together, and you can have meals for you and your family with fast. So let's just plate this, and we're done. All right, YouTube and Facebook, there's your RAO'S pasta, vodka sauce, and penne in less than 15 minutes. So if you have a chance, do not skimp on the sauce or penne. Look at it. Sorry, but it is 4:30 now, and the light is getting bad. I should have did this earlier, but there's your penne and vodka sauce. So like I said, if you can buy this, look for it on sale, and enjoy. So this is Dansoy, amateur cook. See you Friday, and you be safe. Hit subscribe, hit like, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace. Dansoy.